How to disable shorts in the YouTube app on an Android mobile phone. Now, I don't know about you, but I find shorts really annoying, and you can disable them on the YouTube app. So click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then in the top right corner click on the gear icon, look for time management, click on that, scroll down to the bottom where it says daily limits. You'll see the option for the shorts feed limit. Toggle that on. You can now select 0 minutes, which is a new feature being added to the app. Select that, go back to the home, refresh, and your shorts will have disappeared, just like that.